In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase performance of Bluestacks 5. If Bluestacks has been feeling slow or laggy, follow along and we'll tune it for smoother gameplay and faster app launches. First, make sure hardware virtualization is enabled. This is the single biggest boost you can give an Android emulator. Restart your PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI by pressing the key your system shows during boot, commonly F2, delete, or F10. Look for a setting named Intel VTX or AMD-V and set it to enabled. Save your changes and restart. With virtualization on, Bluestacks can tap directly into your CPU's capabilities, often eliminating stutter right away. Next, open Bluestacks and head to the gear icon for settings. Under Performance, increase the resources Bluestacks can use. Set CPU to 4 cores or more if you have them, and RAM to 4 to 8 gigabytes depending on what's available. Choose High Performance mode and save. This ensures your games and apps aren't starved for CPU time or memory. Now switch the graphics mode to match your system. In Settings, open Graphics. Start with OpenGL, which works best on most PCs. If you still see lag or compatibility issues, switch to DirectX instead. Bluestacks will prompt you to restart, and that restart helps apply the change cleanly. While you're in Graphics, enable a high frame rate. Turn on high frame rate and set the FPS to 60. Save your changes. A stable 60 FPS feels far smoother, especially in action-heavy titles. For better stability and speed with newer games, use a 64-bit instance. Open the Multi-Instance Manager and create an Android 11 64-bit or Pi 64-bit instance. Install your apps and games in that instance to take advantage of modern libraries and improved memory handling. Free up system resources by closing background apps. Press Ctrl+Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager and end heavy tasks you don't need right now, like web browsers or chat apps. This leaves more CPU and RAM for Bluestacks. Optimize Windows itself. Switch your power plan to high performance so your CPU doesn't throttle. Then, in Task Manager's Startup tab, disable apps you don't need launching with Windows. Finally, update your GPU drivers to the latest version for best compatibility. If you're on a lower-end PC, lower the display load. In Bluestacks settings under Display, set the resolution to 1280 by 720 and a DPI between 160 and 240. This can deliver a big FPS jump by reducing the pixels your system has to render. If you still experience lag, double-check virtualization, lower the resolution further, and reduce RAM usage outside Bluestacks. For freezing, try the other graphics mode and restart your PC. If apps open slowly, move Bluestacks to an SSD and update Bluestacks to the latest version.